Good morning, all of you. Today, in class 6th, today we are going to have a new chapter, and that is chapter number 15, Government. So, here in this chapter, today we are going to learn about our government and different work about the government, the functions of the government, and how it runs. Okay. So let us start our chapter of government. Okay. Here, our country, India, is the largest democracy in the world. Elders do the administration and management of the home. Similarly, in the administration of our country is done by the government. We hear the word government in daily newspaper, television, and conversation. Government is needed to run the administration of the nation to take decisions. Government work in the planned way for the development of the country, keeping constitution in mind for the nation. Reformation implementation is done by the government. The government of our country is elected through voting by people. So here, student, it is said about the government that, see, the government means we are having in our country a largest democracy. Okay, so what is the meaning of democracy? Democracy is for the people, by the people, and of the people. In the same way, government is for the people, by the people, and of the people. Okay, so government is working for the people, and it is selected by the people. Okay, so here we can say that here the work done by the government is for the public welfare. Okay, in the same way, see here how the government is working for the people. In the same way, in our family, our elders are working. Okay, for example, means your father or your mother, or they go to job. Okay, or they go for business, and they earn money, and after that they earn money and run the house, okay, of our family. In the same way, here we can see that the administration of the government, administration of the country is done by the government. Administration means the management. Okay, means whatever the works are there are a lot of work, because we can see that our country is very vast, that is very big, and our country is very big. So government, how they can work the means how they can handle or manage the country. So already you know that the government had made the government organ body. Okay, and in that there is legislative, executive, and judiciary, and along with that you know that see, first of all, here I want to say you that who elect the government? The public, the people. So how they elect the government? So there is a method, and that is by election. So each and every area of our country is having the election, and from village to the country, or we can say from in village, in district, or in state, or in country, centrally. Okay, so there are elections. Okay, and the elected ministers are there in each and every ward, or we can say the regions or area. Okay, so there are different types of minister, and in that there are the panels of the minister. They are, some of the minister are councillors. Okay, they look after the municipality. Okay, their work is to do the public welfare. So they are going to the municipality, or they are having the work over there, and MLAs are there. From the councillor minister, the majority party who is winning, from that the MLA is made in a city or in a town, you can see that. So there are certain MLAs are there, and after that, from that if we check, the different districts are there, and districts are there having their own MLAs, okay, the main MLAs, and from that we can see that there are the majority party, that is maybe Congress or BJP, whoever it's so, okay. So the majority party is becoming the chief minister. Means for example, here we are having, in Gujarat we are having majority for BJP, okay. So that is why, see, there are some of the area in our Gujarat also, see some of the place if we see, okay, then there are the ruling party is Congress, okay, but many of the area we can see in Gujarat, and that is BJP is ruling, okay. So it depends on the voting of the people in your area, who is winner, that you know, okay. For example, we are here we are having BJP as a ruling party. So here all over the state it is calculated, and the majority winner is becoming the chief minister, okay. So that is in our Gujarat, most of the area is won by BJP, and that is why we are having the chief minister of BJP, okay. So here in the same way we can see that the country also, we are having total 28 states, okay, and from that 28 states, the majority states winner, that is means of which party, that party become the prime minister. So here we, in that also we are having majority of BJP only, okay. So BJP is the most of the rule, means majority they got the votes, okay, and because of that they are the ruling party, and that is why we are having the prime minister of BJP, that is Narendra Modi. So now let us, so I think so you got the some of the idea about the government, what is government, okay, how it is formed. So here we can see that key. So that is why we hear government word in newspaper, television, conversation. Conversation means the talkings, okay. Means many of the time whatever the incident happened by the government or whatever it is, let us talk about we can say about the currency note, okay. Once there was a day like when government had stopped the currency of 500 rupees also note was stopped, and there was made a new currency, okay, by this government, okay. So many people were facing problems at that time, but many of the are in the support of BJP, okay, no it is but whatever it may be, it depends on the thinking of the person. And other than that, you can see that government also changed the rule, and about the Kashmir, you know that we made Ayodhya, okay, that is Ayodhya was made by this government, okay, that law was passed by the government, and and because of that Ram Mandir was made in Ayodhya, it was passed by the government or court, okay, that law was passed by the court. And other than that, we know about the Kashmir also, that 370 Act was there, and it was demolished by the government itself, okay. So these are the works of the government, what he had done, but what is the outcome from that to the public, it depends on them. Actually, government is trying to make the welfare of the public, okay, and we know that if we talk about the government of Delhi, means Prime Minister is there in Delhi, and he is looking after each and every states of the country, okay, and in that he is looking that the law is passed by Delhi, okay, the means Delhi is our capital, and every decision is taken at Delhi in the parliament of the country. Okay, so the decision are taken by that parliament. Okay, and you know that there is also one system, that is first of all the law is passed by the legislative assembly, and then it goes to the executive. The bills are passed. Okay, whatever the new law we have to come, we have discussed about 307 removing of 370 act, then we talk about Ram Mandir, then we have talk about the stop of the currency notes. Okay, or that all things are discussed in legislative assembly, executive assembly, and at last it is passing to the court, that is the judiciary system, and the court, the judge is deciding about the thing, that what the decision should be taken. Okay, then the judge is giving the justice for that. Okay, so here we can see that along with that, so government works in a planned way of the development of the country, and also government is keeping in mind the constitution. This is a very big thing. Okay, about the government, that actually we already know we are living in democracy. Democracy means we are living in democratic country, and what is the meaning of democracy? That it is of the people. Democracy is of the people, and it was each and every minister are made by the public itself. So government is ours, and it is the duty of the government to do public welfare, because the public have elected, the people have elected the government. Okay, so here this one word is there keeping in mind the constitution. Here the important word is there, constitution. Okay, and you all know that. So during 1947, the making of the constitution book was started, and it was completed in 26th January, it was started in 26th January 1950. Okay, and it was made by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So why it is made? See, constitution is made to make each and every place to bound with the law. Okay, and right now we all are going to school, we are reading, writing, or we are having different rights to speak. Why? That is because of the constitution. And there are many rules in our country that all the people are having their own rights, okay, to speak. People are having their welfare by the government. Okay, so this all facilities the people are getting because of constitution. Even though here it is written that the government has to follow the constitution. Okay, the government is not supposed to do any wrong thing for the public, because if government is trying to do that, then constitution is there. So in the whatever the things the public whatever the things government is doing for the public welfare, in that case they have to look after the constitution also. Okay, so that is why we can say there is president in our country. Okay, so there is a president in our country, there is a prime minister. So duty of the prime minister is to manage the country. Okay, or the duty of the government, we can say that the duty of the government is to do public welfare and manage all the parts of our country, all the state, district, whatever it may be. So here the prime minister is managing the country, and who is looking after it? The president. Okay, so president is looking after it, each and every work of the government. So here we will see the next paragraph. So here, as the prime minister is doing the work, and who is checking that? The president. Okay, so this way a system is made about the government, and government is looking after each and every work of the people, and they are managing, and along with that they are doing the public welfare. And here in the newspaper you can see that each and every There are many things you are daily you are reading about the government. Right now also, see the right now in the parliament the talking is going on. If you know about the budget or about different policies or whatever the things, the discussion for the public welfare, and it is going on since 8 days. Okay, if you are watching the news, then you come to know that how government is working, and how the opposition party is also there. See, if the government is not working properly, then opposition party is also there. Okay, they are opposing the government. They are telling that whatever the work is done by the government is not proper, and where he is telling to the president. Okay, in the parliament there is a president, and instead of the president they have to speak. The opposition party is there like Congress, Aam Aadmi Party and other parties, and the ruling party is BJP. Okay, so there is a great discussion between both the parties, and the president has to listen that, and wherever the problems are arising they have to solve that. So right now Kisan Andolan is going on. Right now you can see the different act were done by the government. If you see about the coronavirus, whatever the work done by the government, so the opposition party is asking about that also. What are the work you have, whatever the public welfare you have done for the people? So these are the question arise by the opposition party, and government has to give the answer, means the ruling party. Okay, to the ministers, those who are ruling in BJP, they have to give the answer about each and every answer, that how they are working and how they are helping the people. So this is the system, very good system was made by the constitution, and the government also made very easy, in a systematic manner. Okay, so that is why we can say our country is democratic, because each and every people is having their own right to speak. Okay, if we see if anywhere the wrong thing is happened, then opposition party is also there to speak, and the president is there who is talking to the ruling party, why you are not doing this work. So it is a very good system made for democracy. And if we talk about monarchy, so monarchy system is different. Okay, and president rule. Okay, in president rule or monarchy we can see the king or the only one person is taking the decision about the country. Okay, last time we were in ancient age we know that kings are taking the decision, okay, of their region. So here we go ahead. Now seeing the above picture, we can know about the function, decision, advertisement, government. We can get information about various functions of the government by reading detailed newspaper, magazines available in surrounding. Democracy means the people, by the people and of the people. In democracy system, governance, that is government, hold the foremost place. See, it is already written, whatever I have explained you, okay, government is doing different functions they are having, they have different work they are having, okay, and they are democracy. What is the meaning of democracy? It is written here, okay. See, in democracy, of the people, by the people and for the people. Okay, so it is there three types of, it is for the public welfare. The government is made by the public, and government is for the public, and here it is done of the government is for of the people. Okay, so here we can see the next one. So here we have different work of the government, and this way here in the activity we can see that you can also collect the information about the government from the news or wherever you are getting it. Now we see our country, our government. Our country is a country of diversity. Ours is the largest democracy in the world with the maximum number of the voter. Due to the vastness of the diversity of our country, it is difficult to manage from place to place. That is why government work at different various level of administer smoothly against the problems and difficulties. Local self government, state and central government work in the democratic system of government. So here in this paragraph, what we can see that we are having a great diversity in our great democratic country. See, so it is very difficult. We are having different religion, we are having different caste, okay, in our country. A lot of things are there, lot of different language are there, lot of different states are there. So we are having so many diversities. Okay, somebody is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, whatever it may be, but each and every people are having their own rights to speak against the government, or whatever the wrong thing happen with him or her, he or she is having the right to speak. So that is our democracy. And even though we are having diversity, so because of the democracy, anybody can speak. Each and every people are having their own rights. So that is why, see, and other thing it is written over here, it is the government is managing the country from direct central, okay. And how to manage this big country, that was a great problem. So government is managing from the central to the state to the district to the local self-government. So in last year we already seen about the, if we see, there are, first of all there are village, then cities, then towns, okay, then we are having districts, then we are having state, and at last we are having central. So if we see the activities done by the government, or whatever the policies are made by the government, it is given directly to people by a system, okay. First of all, the law is passed in the central, okay, central government, that is Delhi, because it is our capital. So law is passed in Delhi, and then it is moving from Delhi to different states, okay. So first it is passed in central, that is the national, okay, and after that it is it is passed to the different states, okay, 28 states and territories. So there it the law is going there, and after that in the state the district has to follow. Each and every district has to follow, like we are having different programs, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, okay, then we are having Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, okay, then we are having this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, okay, and different abhiyans are there, different policies made by the government. So it is passing from central to the local self-government. So first central government is passing the law, then it is going to each and every state, then it is going to each and every district, and then to the local self-government at last, okay. So it is passing in a system that each and every people of our country can get the policies made by the government. So very good system, and that this is what I want to say you about the government policy and how they administer, how they manage the country in this system, okay. Now, so you can see that observe and understand. Here we are having a very nice chart, and it is about, see, first of all we see the lower level, that is local government. Take the charge of village and city. Who is looking after the village and city? The local self-government, okay. So local self-government is looking after each and every city and villages, and then state government takes the charge of the entire state, okay. So state government is looking after entire state, and in that district is also coming, in that local self-government is also coming, okay. And other than that, the central government, he is taking the charge, okay, of the entire nation, the whole nation, okay. So here they have to look after the states also, central means state also, then district also, and local self-government also, village or city, okay. So this year after this, So now I think so you are getting the idea about the government, how the government is doing their work, and what are the different policies, or what is the system made by the government. Now, the next thing, government is necessary at various levels. These ways, the governments are very useful for the formation of and the implementation of the rules. So, see, already we have seen the different levels of the government, that is local self, then state government and central government. Okay, it is working in different level, and other than that, the government is making the law. Okay, and that means the government is implementing the rules. Okay, or you can see that for example right now we got we are suffering from corona. Okay, our country is suffering, or the whole world is suffering from corona. So there are different rules made by the government told that you have to wear a mask. Okay, so you have to wear a mask. It is very compulsory for all the people of our country to wear a mask. So this some of the rules means many rules are made by the government. Okay, we are already having the rules in our constitution book. Okay, but at the time of emergency also. Okay, and there are different rules made by the government at the time of different problem, because it is the duty of the government, it is the responsibility of the government to make the public welfare. And why government is making the law that each and every public has to wear a mask? It is for the welfare of the people. That is why. Okay, because see, if you already know that in our country and in the world many people are died because of corona. So see, first of all, we know that many disasters also happen in our India or out of the world. There some of the places the tsunami is coming, some of the places earthquake is coming. These are the natural disasters. Okay, so here the public has to, means the government has to see that. Okay, then here in the now democratic system has been adopted in our country in the context of government and governance depending on the structure variations in government system. So as this only in democracy we are having democracy in our country, that is why we are democratic country. So we are having different structure. Okay, that is the system. We are having government systems. Okay, means already we have discussed that here we have a central to means local self-government, state government, central government. This system was made. Okay. So after this, here we will, in our second lecture, we will learn about the types of the government. And let us have the look in this first and second paragraph, that is about the government. So here we have seen that different government, in this chapter we have already learned about the government. Okay, the functions of the government and each and every activity of government, how the government is formed or what are the policies of the government and how they are managing the country. Many things, I think so full chapter summary I have given you in this first chapter. Okay, what are the functions of the government, how they are working, what are the policy made by the government, how the government is elected, okay, by the public. So many things I have discussed in this first lecture, and so now the next one we will see in our next lecture, and here we are completing our first lecture. And after that we will learn about the types of the government in next chapter, that what are the types of government, and in that we will see about democratic government and communist government and monarchy. So I think so some of the point I have told you about monarchy also. Okay, so this we'll see in our next lecture. Okay, so here we are completing our chapter. Thank you.